Good morning, students of 7th standard. In the previous video of NCERT mathematics, we have started exercise 2.4. In that, first and second question I have shown. We will see the third one. 8 divided by 7 by 3. I have told you the method. First term write as it is, convert this division into multiplication, then this reciprocals. So 8 3s are 24. Just a second. 8 is a 24. Okay, so just pay attention here. 8 is a 24 by 7. You can convert this into integer form. 7 is a 21. 24 minus 21 is a 3 by 7. This will be the answer. You will see the fourth one. 4 divided by 8 by 3. So you can write 4 as it is. Convert this division into multiplication. When you convert this division into multiplication, the second term reciprocals. So it will be 3 by 8. This 4 is in the numerator and 8 is in the denominator. So you can divide by 4. 4 ones are and 4 2s are. What remains is 3 ones are 3 by 2. Convert this also in integer form. So 1 integer 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 1 remains. 1 remainder in the numerator and denominator as it is. Fifth one we see. Fifth is 3 divided by 2 integer 1 by 3. First of all, convert this integer form into improper fraction. 3 to the 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 3. Convert this division into multiplication. This reciprocals. 2 3s are 9 by 7. 7 on the 7. 2 remains, 2 is the remainder. 2 goes in the numerator and this 7. So your answer will be 1 integer 2 by 7. Got it, everybody? Convert this into improper fraction. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Convert this division into first term always as it is you have to write. So 3 we have written. Convert division into multiplication. When you convert division into multiplication, the second term reciprocals. 7 by 3 will become 3 by 7. Then 3 3s are 9. 9 by 7 means convert that into improper fraction. 7 1 is 7. Remainder is 2 in the numerator and divided by 7. So 1 integer 2 by 7 will be the answer. Next we'll see next is 5 divided by 3 integer 4 by 7. 5 divided by 3 integer 4 by 7. First of all, convert this integer form in improper fraction. 7 is 21 plus 4 is 25 by 7. Write this 5 as it is. Convert division into multiplication. This reciprocals. 5 is in the numerator and 25 is in the denominator. So you can simplify it. 5 1s are 5. 5 5 are 25. So you get 7 by 5. Divide it. So 7 by 5 means 5 on the 5. Remainder is 2 by 5. Okay. So one integer 2 by 5 will get the answer. Next we'll see question number second. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fraction, and whole number. See first of all what is proper fraction. Proper fraction means if numerator is smaller than the denominator, means if denominator is bigger than the numerator, upside small and downside big, then it is called proper fraction. Improper, it's reverse. If in the numerator is big, denominator is small, or upside is big and downside is small, then you can say improper fraction. And whole number means it is completely divisible, like you can say 4 by 2 is there, this is also a fraction, so we will get 2 as a whole number in this way. So we will classify, we will stop here, we will see tomorrow. Thank you very much.